Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Baqarah Ayah number 95. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولن يتمنوه أبدا بما قدمت أيديهم والله عليم بالظالمين. Makhraj of wow is circling your lips. Don't use your upper teeth to touch the lower lip to pronounce wow. No, this is wrong way. Circle your lips well for wow to pronounce wow, and for fatha, open your jaws. Wa lay. Whenever you will find haruf yarmalun after noon sakin, you merge them. Okay, so this is the merging sound. Mm, walay. You will hold the sound in your nose too. That will give you gunna. That is gunna, and you're holding it too along too. Walay. Yeah is short and soft letter. It's not ja. It's ya. Ya, the, short. Ya, the, man. Meme is short. And noon has gunna. Why? Because meme and noon. Can you see my cursor? Yes. Meme and noon. Whenever they have tashdid, you will keep them in your nose for two haraka long gunna. You are making gunna. The gunna sound is created by your nose. Yes. Qaishum. Man, now there is lean half lean too, because whenever there is wow, where should I write now? Wow or yeah, there is wow sakina and there is fatha before it, and yeah sakina and fatha before it. Then these two letters are lean letters. Look, there is wow sakina and qablaha maftuh, wow sakina, and you can find fatha before it. Then you will give it a lean sound, and that is a soft sound. Now you will give a fatha very clear time, na, and then wow, and attach with wow. Now. First say the fatha sound. This is the common mistake when people just make the fatha very short. No, no, they say no. Yataman no, nahu. No, it's na. Now, now who, and who is short, circle your lips for dhamma, open your jaws for fatha, and for hamza, give very strong sound, short, dam. There is actually tanween, and this tanween is changed into meme, so they actually put meme here. Abadam. This is a club. You're changing the sound of tanween into meme. Abadam. B is short. Ma, two counts long. Qad. Qaf is heavy. Why? Because this is part of these seven letters. Qa, qad. And for the tashdid, what is the mechanism of tashdid? You pronounce the letter itself, and you attach it with the letter before it. Qad. So qaf is attached with dal. Qad, and dal fatha on dal. Whatever haraka will be there on the next letter will be pronounced. Qad, da is short. Mats, for fatha, open your jaws, and for ta, give hums. What is hums? Flow of breath. It's not a sound, it's a breath. Mat, I, two counts long. It's harf lean. Sorry, it's harf lean. Ya sakina qablaha maftu. Look, I wrote it for you here. Ya sakina qablaha maftu. Whenever you'll find ya sakin and before it there is fatha, so you will make it two haraka long and you will make it soft. I, give fatha very clearly. And then give ya sound. I. D 2 counts long, and that is mad. Don't mix up these harufe lean with harufe mad. And the third, yes, the third harf mad is ya sakina qablaha maksur. The sounds of these letters are these are same. Look, sound as a sound, and fatha has a sound. Whenever this a sound comes together, the sound normally the very naturally stressed a. Wow has oo sound. The ma has oo sound. When these two oo sounds come together, it makes oo. Ya has E sound, Kasra has E sound. Whenever it comes together, it gives E. Sound will be stressed naturally and normally. You are not putting any effort to make it heavy, to make it long. It's naturally long. A, D, 2 counts long. Ya sakina, qablaha maksur. Ya sakina, and there is kasra before it. Him, for kasra, give E sound, and for meme, you will give tawassut. Tawassut is medium flow of sound. How you come to know? Because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters, Lin Omar, which gets tawassut whenever it has sukoon. So here you are giving medium flow of sound. Him, wa, well, wow will be light, and Lafz Jalala will be heavy. Whenever there is fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you will make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name heavy. Wallah, the sound of heavy, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name heavy is law. Wallahu, who is short, from your throat very clearly and short sound. Li is 2 counts long. Why? Because ya sakina qablaha maksud. Ya sakin, and before ya you find kasra. You will make it 2 haraka long. Ali and there is tanween, and after tanween there is ba. So you will change the sound of tanween into mim. That is called iqlab. Mumbir. There's kasra. So give E sound first. B. Bir. And Allah has rakhawa, law of sound. Billah. God will be 2 counts long. Billali. B is short. Me. This is mad arid lil sukoon, when you will give temporary sukoon on the last letter because it is getting work, it is being stopped. So you will stretch it 2, 4, 6 counts long. بالظالمين ولن يتمنوه أبدا بما قدمت أيديهم والله عليم بالظالمين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.